Welcome to QTAC Academy. In this video, we will be going over how to prepare your QTAC skid for cold weather situations. Let's jump into it. If we are preparing to store the QTAC skid for the winter and do not plan to bring it back out until spring, the first step will be to drain all the water from the system. We will start with the 1.5 inch NPSH discharge. Take off the cap and open the valve. Let the water drain out completely. Once no more water is coming out, leave the valve open, then move on to the pump housing. Remove the top cap from the pump, and then remove the bottom plug from the pump housing. Let the water drain completely from the pump before returning the plug to the pump housing. If there is a large amount of water left in the pump, it will expand when frozen, which could crack the pump housing or ruin the internals of the pump. Now would be a good time before we move on to the engine and tank to make sure that all the valves are open on the plumbing system. If the valves remain closed and the temperature drops below freezing, the water trap can expand when freezing and will increase the chance of the valve cracking. If you are using the unit during the winter months, it is best to either put the QTAC under a heated blanket or an insulated source, or circulate RV antifreeze through the entire system. Also, for winter use, you will want to make sure to change to a thinner weight oil in the engine. But if storing the skid, use a stabilizer in the fuel, so there won't be any issues when you go to start the unit in spring. Moving on to the Polytough tank, we will want to make sure that the tank is empty so we do not have an issue with water expansion in frozen temperatures cracking the tank. Make sure to remove the 1.5 inch drain and let the tank drain completely. Once the tank is empty, you can replace the drain plug and move on to the hose reel. For prepping the hose reel hose, we will want to first remove the nozzle and then pull the hose to its fully extended length. Once the hose is out all the way, go back to the unit and walk the line out to the end. Make sure to remove all water from the line before reeling the hose back in. Now that the hose is back in, the oil is changed, the tank and plumbing are drained, and all the valves are left open. Your QTAC skid is ready to be stored for a prolonged period in sub-freezing temperatures. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team at sales@qtacfire.com or call us at 888-797-5100.